Shiv, Kumar, Jatia versus ITD. Section 2, subsection 14, class 1. Capital asset. The property of any kind, rights or interest in a property. Period of holding is to be reckoned from the date of first agreement while calculating the capital asset. And the tribunal has a right to or interest to the property. Tribunal held that right or interest to the property are transferable capital assets, and hence book rights and book right booking rights or rights to purchase apartment or right to obtain title to the department are also capital asset that can be transferable. Therefore, right in an uncompleted building or a flat is clearly a property. Period of holding is to be a reckoned or from the date of first agreement while calculating the capital gain or a sale of such property. Example, in this case, you buy some property that is in the stage of building. You bought an skeleton apartment, that is 10 floor apartment. You had a eighth floor, complete eighth floor you have. Thing is, you going to build a residential or commercial property. You have not confirmed, but you bought the whole unconstructed skeleton building. That's eighth floor, complete floor. That's around 50,000 square feet you have. What are you going to do? You may uh, make it into plot, or you can sell it, or sometimes you leave some property ahead. You one use a residential property, commercial property, and some land is unused, there. In that case, after some years, 6 months, 7 months, 8 months, you sold that segment alone to someone. Then what happens? Then that property, that plot you had, that will be on that portion will be applicable to capital gain on the date of agreement. That is, when you bought the whole plot, that will be the date in which you had the right to sell. So it's not on completion the date of capital gain arises on the date of the agreement, the original agreement when it was made. From that date, capital gain computation will begin.